Ooh, we already got 4 people in the audience, dude. Wow. That's dope. One second. I need my soundboard to work, though.
That's dope.
Here, let me share my screen. There's that screen. Dude, we can go live at 1440? Oh, man. Dude, I think we're going to do it. I think we're going to go live 1440 60p, dude. Let's go maximum, dude. There we go. Not that I really need the resolution or anything for just teaching homework stuff, but that's pretty cool. Okay. One more thing. Let me start the virtual camera. And then let me turn on this. Yes, good. There we go. Okay, cool. All right. We got everything up and running. Bro, I got the ad for the Cocaine Bear. Yeah, dude. What's this movie, Cocaine Bear? Dude, one sec. Let me find it. Yeah. I think it's based on a true story. I think Cocaine Bear is based on a true story. I think it is. Let's watch real quick Cocaine Bear and then Bob, I got you, dude, because you got your Harvard interviews.
That's dope.
That's sick, dude. Let's see, Cocaine Bear. I'm just curious what this trailer even is. Let's see. Does the chat work? Yeah. No request. Cool. All right. Oh, the chat does persist. Oh, that's useful. That's really useful. Okay, cool. This came out 2 months ago. Is there like something that came out like in the last day? All right, this came out 2 days ago. All right. Okay, I understand. I know Cocaine Bear is probably inappropriate.
Cocaine fell from the sky.
Here we go. Let's watch it.
Millions of dollars worth of cocaine fell from the sky this morning.
There's more of this out there. They dumped it somewhere.
Oh, the rainbow bag? What is that?
Cocaine was lost. I need you to go and get it.
Oh, dude, no. It's Ray Liotta's, like, last role? Is Cocaine Bear?
Don't eat that. Don't eat that. Let's see what kind of effect that has on it.
The bear. It did cocaine. Bear did cocaine.
Apex predator. High on cocaine. Out of its mind.
Can someone do something?
Yeah.
What's wrong with that bear?
You'll never come down.
Oh my god. Okay. All right. I haven't really seen movies in a very long time. I haven't been to a movie theater. I might have to go see that. That's just ridiculous. All right. Anyways, let's start off the stream. Welcome to everyone, Office Hours. My name is Dr. Gold. This is the stream that helps you out with your math homework, science homework, all sorts of cool shit. You get prizes. What's up, not your friend? How you doing, dude? You got your gift card, right? Did I get you your gift card? I'm pretty sure I gave you your gift card, right? Did I give it to you? One second, let me find it. Yes, yeah, he got it, dude. Where was it? Where was your? There you go. Look at that. Look, he got the V-Bucks. It's real, dude.
That's dope.
It's real. You can really earn V-Bucks on my channel and my Discord and everything. Yeah, no, it's real, dude. Yeah, people are like, what? No way. What we playing today? We're playing Roblox. I'll let Teacup do the vote thing. Teacup, you can start a poll for people for like what they want to do for the games. Nice. Okay. Wait, where was Bob's? Okay. Yeah. If any of you guys in the audience want to talk, like, please just raise your hand, and then I'll bring you up, or Teacup will bring you up to the stage so you can talk. I love hearing from you guys. Like, I don't want the whole stage thing to discourage people from talking to me. Like, I just think it's a good thing moving forward that we start using stages, because as more and more people come in, it's an easier way to, like, control the chaos of, like, you know, someone comes in, their mic's fucking loud or something, or, you know, to kind of, like, you know, it's a balance between, like, giving people who need help, like, the attention so that they can get through their question, but also, like, I love to just interact with you guys. So, you know, you just raise your hand. If you got something cool to say or whatnot, just raise your hand, dude, and we'll bring you up on the stage. Don't be shy. Okay. Speaking of bringing people to the stage, we got to bring Bob up, dude. Bob, where is Bob? Can we bring Bob up? How do we invite Bob to speak? We're gonna invite Bob to speak. What's up, Bob? There we go.
Yeah.
You can hear me all right? Yeah.
Yep.
Nice, dude. Okay, cool. Sick. I'm gonna vote for Steve Steps. All right, cool. Let's get through this because yeah. All right. Sketch the region enclosed by the graphs. I'm streaming on everything, right? You guys can see everything. Discord, whatever. Yeah. Okay. Good. Yeah. All right. Sketch the region enclosed by the graphs of the given functions. Determine whether it is more natural to integrate with respect to x or y. Blah 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 blah. Draw a typical approximating rectangle. Okay. All right. Whatever. Cool. All right. So we have a bunch of equations here, Bob. The first thing you kind of want to do. Well, what do you think the first thing you want to do? What do you think you do, Bob? I'm curious.
Graph the equations.
Yeah, good. Yeah, you want to try and graph this. Wait, it's not really that intuitive, but it's okay. You know what x equals -1 is as a function, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's just gonna be a line, right? Right here at -1.
Uh-huh.
So we got this.
Yeah.
That's cool. And then we have a line at x equals 1, right? So there's gonna be another line right here.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And then the wacky thing becomes these things, right? Okay. So x squared -1, right? What does that look like? What's that shape? What is this? What does this
X
one look
squared
like?
starting from -1.
So it looks like x squared, right? Which is just a u, but you shift it down by 1. Okay. So that's gonna look something like this, and actually even cooler, right? We can see where this thing will hit, right? Because if I plug in x equals 1 into here, what do I get?
X equals 1 minus 1 0.
Good. Shifter said I also got the Cocaine Bear ad. Dude, they're going crazy on the Cocaine Bear ads, dude. What? I might have to go see this movie. Mainly because like I love Ray Liotta and he passed away. Rest in peace. So this is his last movie, so we got to watch it. Okay. You're right. You're right. So I know it's going to intersect right here, Bob. Do you see that? You see how it's going to hit this? It's going to hit that as well, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then it's going to like keep going out into the netherworld, but like we don't care about like what happens out here, right? Because that's not the area that's being bounded. Cool. So we're done with that, done with that, done with that. Okay, e to the x. E to the x kind of sucks, right? I can just plug a value in, right? What's e to the 0?
1.
Good. So I know e to the x is at least here, right? It's at least at 1, right? And then as x goes up, like if we plug in 1, right? What do we get? Drink gold, dude. Thank you.
2.7.
I think I'm drinking. 2.7. Good. Yeah, yeah. We get E. We get E. So like this is like right here. So yeah, good. That's gonna be E, right? And then if I put in -1, that is pretty good coffee. It is pretty good coffee. It's G coffee. Actually, I made this coffee myself. I'll show you guys how I make coffee at some point. I'm making you drink 2 more times during the stream. Thank you. Also, wait, why is my 1 sec. The soundboard should be working. Why is that not working? Let me fix that real quick. No, that's fine. That should be working. Okay. I don't know. Yeah, so if I plug in -1 here, right, I get 1 over E, right? Which is a fraction, right? It's like 1 divided by, like, E is around 2.7, so it's like 1/2. So it's like probably something down here, right? So we can make that another value. That's 1 over E, okay? Cool. So now what we've done here, Bob, is we figured out our area, right? Our area enclosed is here. This is what we're trying to integrate, okay? Now, the question is, do I want to integrate with respect to dx? Like, do I want to go this way and, like, start adding up areas? Or do I want to go this way and start adding up, like, these areas, right?
Yeah. Would the area below the 0 still be, below the x-axis still be negative?
It's a good point. Yeah, you're right. That would be negative area, right? Yeah, so that's going to screw with things, right? Because we'd want to break it up into, like, doing this as, like, a positive area and then doing this as a, even though it's negative, but making it positive, right? Yeah. Okay, so in general, Bob, when you're doing these types of things, whether you want to integrate this way or this way, you can do both. Like, both will work. Both are appropriate. But what you want to try to do is try to make it so that you're not doing as many things, like you're not having to break it up into as many integrals as possible, right? Oh, actually, you know what? No, the negative is fine. I'll show you why the negative is fine, Bob. I'll show you why it's fine. It's actually okay. Because the trick for integrating any area between two curves is to go from like two endpoints. We'll say like endpoint, we'll say like 0.1 to like 0.2, all right? and we're going to do the top function minus the bottom function, okay? Is what we're going to do. And we're going to integrate it. Now watch this. Like let's say I'm just deciding to go dx, right? So I'm integrating the top function, right, which is all this. And then I'm doing minus the bottom function.
Why would you integrate with dy?
No, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you which one we're going to pick. But I'm just saying, just for example, let's say I've already decided to integrate dx, which means I'm integrating this way, right? My top function is then this. My bottom function is this. So integrating the top function minus the bottom function. Do you see how the bottom function will be negative though, right? If I integrate this?
Yeah.
So the minus will turn it positive anyways. So you don't have to worry about that. As long as you're doing top minus bottom, the negative will do it. What's up, Demented? Demented. Yeah, you're Demented. We're using stages. You can always come up to the stage if you want to talk. Okay. So right. So here's the situation here, Bob, right? Okay. If I go, for instance, along dx, right? Do you see how my top function is going to be this one curve here, right? E to the x. And then my bottom curve is going to be x squared minus 1. Do we see that?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
This will be pretty simple, right? Because I'm just going to go from -1 to 1, right? That's how far I'm going to travel in x. And I'm going to do this minus this. That's pretty nice. I like that. Cool? All right. Let's see what happens if, however, we were to go with regards to dy, right? So if I go in with regards to dy, this becomes really tricky because, like, do you see how this is, like, not a function, right? If I try to do, like, top minus bottom, right, it's like this minus this, but, like, now I'm overlapping. I'd have to break this up into two curves, right? I'd have to make one curve here and one curve here, and then do this one minus this one to get this area. And then here, I'd have to break it up into this amount minus this one, right? This curve minus this curve. And then I'd have to break it up into this one minus this one to get that area. Do you see how I have to break it up into like 3 different integrals? And I have to break the functions up into like crazy things? This is like, this is ugly. This is why you don't want to do it that way. Because it's much easier if I just do this one minus this one. That's one integral. And we're just going from this function minus this function.
Okay. Shouldn't that always be easier then?
It isn't. It isn't always easier. Okay, so an example I'll show. So let's say, for instance, I have what do I want to do? Yeah. Okay. Let's say I have let me see. Yeah. Yeah. Let's say I have this function. Okay. Let's say it's like a crescent moon or something, and I'm trying to integrate this, okay? Do you see how in order to do this, I have to do, like, top, and then I have to do bottom? I have to do top minus bottom for here, and top minus bottom from here, right? And, like, let's say this is a curve, for instance, where this is y is equal to, no, this is x is equal to negative y squared plus 1. That's what this one would be. And then this would be, like, x is equal to negative y squared plus 3. Right? That's what these functions would look like. If I integrate with regards to dx, now I'm having to split this into 2, right? And then I'm going to have to like stop it here, where now the top function is going to be this portion and the bottom function is going to be this portion. So now I'm having to split the curve up even more. Whereas if I just do a single integral, right, going this way, where this is the top and this is the bottom, now it's a lot easier. But now I'm integrating with dy.
Okay.
Do you see that? I know.
I'm
drinking a lot of coffee, so I'm speaking really cold. Do we get a bond coin? Drink up, Bozo. Thank you, Shifter. Shifter, if you make me drink too much, dude, I'm gonna get fucking wired here. Oh, something's wrong with my Twitch connection. Token has been expired? Dude, god damn it, Twitch. 1 second. Connect to Twitch. Give me a second. Please renew it in Twitch connections. 1 second. Let me fix that. I'm in Twitch connections. One sec. That's why my things weren't working. Let me load Sammy again. Maybe Sammy will work now. Sammy Core. One sec. Twitch connections. Okay, whatever. Authorize. Give me the token. Thank you. Good. Is it working now? Okay, done. Good. Okay. All right. Now it should work. Now it should work. Now it should work. Okay, cool. All right. So let's go back to your question, right? Okay. Nice, Demented. Good. Thank you. Okay. So when doing this equation here, right? We've decided that we want to do dx because it's easier, right? To go from.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. So I need to choose my endpoints, right? Endpoints is where I start and where I stop. That's usually going to be where good, -1 to 1. So that's either going to be defined by nice lines or it's going to be like where the things intersect. Okay, so you're going to like set the equations equal to each other. All right. So in this case, yes, we're going to integrate from -1 to 1. The top function is going to be e to the x minus the bottom function, which is going to be x squared minus 1, and then that's dx, right? Okay. Now this is an easy integral, right? Because I can just do each integral individually, right? So the integral of e to the x is what?
E to the x.
Good. E to the x. We're going to go from -1 to 1. Integral of minus x squared is what?
Minus x cubed over 3.
Over 3. Good. Right. And then we have minus 1. So the integral of 1, right, is?
X.
It's just x. Good. Yeah. So now you can evaluate this, right? This is e to the x minus e to the minus x. And then it's minus 1/3 plus... Wait, how does that work? Oh, there's 2 minuses on this, dude. That's going to pull a plus, but we're going to have another negative, right? Because -1 cubed is -1. Negative makes it positive, but then it's minus that one, so that's also minus 1/3. And then this is going to be plus x minus x. Or plus 1 minus 1, sorry. So we don't care about that. Yeah, okay. So that's just e to the x minus e to the minus x minus 2/3. And you're done. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Good, dude. Nice. Congrats.
That's dope.
Yo, good luck on your Harvard interview, dude. Fucking crush it, dude.
Thank you.
Yeah, they probably...
Thank you.
I did interviews like that, like MIT and whatnot, back in the day. Just be real. Just be yourself and whatnot. And, you know,
Yeah,
you'll make it if you make it, dude. Yeah, good luck, dude.
Thank you.
You're welcome, dude. All right, nice. All right. Let's give one to Bob. How's everyone else doing in the chat? What's up? Is my thing working now? One sec. Let me find if this is working. Does my hydrate work? Yeah, there it goes. Now it works. Okay, Shifter, I'm gonna drink more coffee for you, dude. I got you, bro. I actually do need to stay up pretty late tonight. I'm setting up a stage for a warehouse rave at like midnight, and it goes until Sunday. So I will be not sleeping. But nice. Good job, Bob. All right. Let's see. Who else we got screenshots on? I got Teacup. Got Ethan. I got Exploded. I got Night Frame. We got so many people, dude. Sick. Okay. Here, let's do Ethan's next, or Teacup's next up. Unless, Demented, do you have to leave anytime soon, or can you wait like a little bit? Like, you let me know. You let me know, Demented. He can wait? Okay, cool. All right, Teacup, come up to the stage. Come up to the stage. Monsieur Teacup. Monsieur Teacup.
That's dope.
What are they asking for here, dog? Perimeter and area?
Yes.
Cool. Okay. Perimeter and area. Okay. I mean, area is easy. You can do area right now, dude. What is area?
Area is easy. I can do area.
What is it? What is it?
1 second. I need to get the formula real quick.
What? No, you don't need the formula, bro. Dude, this is no.
Is
Come on.
just base and
Good.
height?
You can look at this,
Height
dude.
equals-
Look at this as if it.
No, isn't it 1/2 base times height?
Yeah, it's good. Dude, remember this? Pretend this is the base. This is the height, right? You see how this is like half of a base times height? That's what a triangle is.
Yes.
It's 1/2 base height. Oh, yo, thank you for the subscription, Gendler. Wow, the Gendler on the subs, dude. I'm with it, dude. Wow, we got another sub. Hell yeah, dude. Fuck yeah.
That's dope.
Okay. Yes. So area is equal to 1/2 base times height. So what's that? 1/2 what?
1/2 20 m to the cubed n5.
Good. Times what?
times
Times
4mn5.
4m n to the 5th. Okay, how do we simplify this? This is a good one because this is like a bunch of exponent rules. We gotta remember all our exponent rules. Oh no! Oh no!
I think we add them, so we have 20 times 4 is
Good.
80. So now we have 80 m to the 4th.
What about the
and
1/2?
m
Don't forget the 1/2, dude. Don't forget the 1/2, bro.
Well, now we'll divide it later.
Okay, fine. All right, so 1/2. So we have 1/2. We have 80, and then yeah, what do we do with these things?
Oh, those. So we add the exponent.
Go ahead. What's that?
So we have m4 and n10.
Nice. Good shit. Okay.
And then
that-
we just divide
that one's
the
easy.
80
Yeah, and then divide by
40.
2. Yeah. So that's 40 m to the 4th, n to the 10th. Good. Nice. Awesome. All right. The harder
But
one
let me
though,
know the one I've had issue with.
the perimeter is hard. All right. The perimeter is kind of tricky.
Yes.
Okay. How do you think we're gonna do the perimeter? So we have. So first of all, to do the perimeter, right? I need the length of like this, right? I need these lengths.
Mm-hmm.
How am I gonna get this length? You think?
That's with a squared plus b squared
Good.
plus c squared.
Pythagorean theorem. Yes, Pythagorean theorem.
But now hold on a second. The
What's up?
base needs to be divided by
Good.
2. 'cause
The
that's
base does
entire
have to be
base.
divided by 2. Yes, very good. Yes. So we need this. This whole thing was 20 m third n to the 5th. So we're gonna have a new triangle now, where this is gonna be 10 m to the 3rd n to the 5th, right? This is gonna be 4 m n to the 5th. But we're gonna do the same shit, right? It's just a squared plus b squared will get me my c squared here, right? So I gotta square this and I gotta square this. What is this when it's squared?
When it's good, so yeah,
Mhm.
I'm behind on everything.
You're okay. Shifter keeps making me drink coffee, dude. That's why I'm
You're
I'm
asking
I am
for
wired.
4mn. Wait, are you asking for 4mn5 squared?
Yes, yeah, all of that.
Okay,
all of that's
so we
good.
have 16 m squared to the 10th power of n.
Good. Yeah. So that's gonna be 16 m squared n to the 10th, right? Plus what's the next one gonna be? It's gonna be 100, right? We gotta square the 10. 100 m to the 6th n to the 10th. And this all has to equal c squared.
And then, yes, I love my squared.
Oh wow. That's ugly.
Then we'll just add this together.
Yeah, the problem is like
And then
these are not
we-
like terms. Do you see how this is an m squared n 10th? This is an m6
I
n
love
10th.
my not like terms.
Ew.
Yeah.
Okay, whatever.
Well, I'm so close in steep steps.
Yeah, you are. Okay, c is equal to the
I'm
square
at
root of all this.
971.
I bet you are, dude. Is there 1,000? Is that the limit on steep steps?
Yeah, 1,000's the limit. Then we gotta go to level 2.
Oh, okay. Then we can go to the jungle or something, right?
Yeah.
All right. So
Um,
c is equal to this. That's ugly, right? Gross. I don't think that simplifies. Someone tell me if that simplifies. I don't think it does because you have
I don't
different.
think it's simplified.
Yeah.
I was doing it in math, and I'm asking the teacher. He's like, "Oh, what the hell?"
Yeah, so anyway, so then perimeter is this plus 2 times c, right? This is c. This is c.
Yeah.
So p is equal to 20 m third n to the 5th. Wow, dude.
Oh,
The Gendler gifting 5 tier 1 subs? Oh, fuck, dude.
well, actual gaming got it.
Wow, dude. No way. Oh, actual gaming got a sub. I guess that's pretty cool, dude. Nice. Thanks to Gendler, dude. That's fucking sick, dude. Helping the kids out, dude. Sheesh. All right, yeah. Perimeter is that plus 2 times this ugly mess. Whatever. I'm just gonna copy it. There you go. That's technically what it is. Tell your teacher like to get nicer questions. I feel like there was something. I feel like this was missing if this was an m to the 3rd, we'd be okay. Like that would be better. That would be like doable, but it's not. Anyways, dude. Wow, thank you. We got more subs coming in, dude. Love it. Fake demented with the subs. Okay, sick. All right, that makes sense to you, Teacup? Yeah.
Yes.
Nice, dude. Sick. All right. Next one down, dude. I'm on a roll, dude. I'm on a roll. Let's get him. Who'd that go to? That went to Teacup. Nice. All right. Next up. Ethan? Okay. Ethan? Okay. Ethan, what's up? Come up to the stage, bro. Someone bring him up. You can bring him up, Teacup. Can you bring him up?
I got to give him a request. He's not even in the VC yet.
Oh, he's not in the VC yet. Okay, that's all right. There he is. There he is. He's in it now. Yeah, nice, dude. Wow, we have a hype train starting or something. Yeah, good. Is he up here? Did we get him to speak? There you go. What's up, Ethan?
Yo, what's good?
Yo, isn't that sick, dude? Look at all that. We got 5 gifted subs, dude. That's fucking dope, dude. Yo, a hype train? Imagine getting a hype train on a math tutoring stream. I'm not even like showing my tits or anything. What? You know, that's cheating. What's up?
Honestly, I never expected that, okay?
Yeah, I didn't expect that either, dude. That's super dope. All right, which one do you need help with? Do you need help with number 2 here? Calculate the lengths.
Yeah.
This one? Okay.
And then next time I was sure we can do the other one.
Pardon?
On the next office hours, maybe we can do the others.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, we can do the other ones next time, yeah. Or if we have more time after. Let me get through. I want to get to Demented and everyone. All right. This looks weird, right? Because I see like 65 degrees and this 18 with like the comma. Do you know what this comma means? It's kind of a weird thing. Do you know, Ethan? Where's Ethan?
Not really.
Okay,
The
so
comma? The comma?
yeah, like this comma here. You see how you see 65 degrees and then 18 with like this comma right here, right? Those are called minutes. Is technically what this is. So they also measure like fractions of a degree in what they call minutes and seconds. I don't know why. It's like, why isn't it just like 0.1 of a degree? But yeah, no, it's minutes and seconds. And what it happens to be is that like 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree. It's a weird unit. I think they did it back in like the times when like Christopher Columbus was like on the ships and shit. Like that's when they did like minutes. And then there's nice dude. There's also seconds. So technically they could put 2 commas and then that's seconds. And it's the same thing. 60 seconds equals 1 minute. So 3,600 seconds is also equal to 1 degree. Okay? Kind of weird, right? All right. We want to figure out the length of AB here, Ethan. Okay? Do you know how we find out this length here? Do you know how we do this?
All right. The length of AB. You gotta calculate the angles for these.
I can, right? Do you see how this is a special triangle? What does this thing right here mean? Do you know what this square here means?
Is this one like an equilateral?
No. This means it's a right triangle. This means right triangle. This means this angle is 90 degrees, okay? Anytime you have right triangles, that means you can use SOHCAHTOA to do stuff. It's like superpowers. You're like,
Nice.
you can use SOHCAHTOA to find the sides and whatnot, okay? So this is a right triangle, so we're allowed to use SOHCAHTOA. All right. What is this side, Ethan? What is this side called? Do you know?
Yeah. Is this the base? Is this the base?
No, this is the hypotenuse. Do you see how this is the longest side? That means it's the hypotenuse. Also, the hypotenuse will always be opposite of the 90-degree angle, okay? So I know my hypotenuse is equal to 8. So, Gendler says, so if I want to figure out segment AB here, right, we're going to use SO from SOHCAHTOA. Do you know what SOHCAHTOA stands for, Ethan? SOHCAHTOA? You ever heard this before?
I don't.
Yeah. Okay. This means that the sine of an angle is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse, okay? Now, that's what we're trying to figure out, okay? Do you see how this side here is opposite of this angle? Right, yeah, very good, Gendler. Yeah, opposite of hypotenuse. So, if I know this angle, and I know the hypotenuse, right, I can then figure out what the opposite is, all right? Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Yes, very right. Yeah. So first of all, we need to convert this angle into like a regular angle we put in the calculator. So I have 65 degrees in 18 minutes. So this 18 minutes means that it's going to be a fraction of a degree. The way to figure out what that fraction is we know that there are 60 minutes in a degree. So this is going to be 18 minutes divided by 60 to get how many degrees it is, right? So what I can do is I can pull up my calculator, right? And if we do 18 divided by 60, that's going to get me, 0.3. Oh, that's actually kind of nice. That's a nice number. Oh, that's dope. Okay, cool. This is 0.3 of a degree. So this real, like, in degrees and what it is, oh, nice, dude. We got cheered with 100 bits, dude. What? Hey, the Gedler's dropping mad Twitch stuff today, dude. I'm down with it. That's sick. This is going to be 65.3 degrees, Ethan. Okay, that's what this is in like just in degrees, not in degrees and minutes. Okay, so when I plug that into here, I'm going to say sine of 65.3 degrees is equal to the opposite, which I don't know. That's the AB. We don't know that. Divided by the hypotenuse, which we do know, which is 8. All right. Do you know how to solve for this, Ethan? Do you know how to get this by itself if this is like an algebra thing?
You gotta divide it by 8?
No. If I divide by 8 on both sides, that's just gonna like mess things up more, right? We don't want to do that. We want to get this by itself. This is the same thing as like x over 8, right? What do we do in algebra to get rid of the 8? Gendler asks, what does a bond coin do? Bond coins are points students can earn to like get gift cards and stuff. Yeah, you can buy one and gift one to someone. That's fine. You want to multiply this by 8 on both sides, Ethan. Okay? Wow. Gendler dropping bond coins, dude. Because if I have divide by 8, that's going to cancel with the multiply by 8, all right? And that's going to be 8 sine of 65.3 degrees is equal to x, okay? Which you can then plug into here, right? So that's going to be 8 sine of 65.3, all right? And that's going to give us an answer, which is 7.27, okay? So this length right here, Ethan, AB, is equal to 7.27, okay? That's what it is. The whole thing, all right? Good. That's 7.27. And then you can do the same thing to get this side using cosine instead of sine. So remember, cosine is the adjacent. No, it's not going to be the same thing because this side would only be the same if this was also the same. But they can't be. Because let's say this was 65 degrees. Okay. These two would add up to 130, and then plus the 90 would be 270, which is way too much for a triangle. Triangles can only have a maximum of 180. Okay? So, partial degrees with minutes. Yeah, it is arbitrary. Yeah, it just is. It's like that sometimes. Yeah. I think this is a nautical thing. I think they do this with like the ocean and like ships and stuff. So cosine of our 65.3 is equal to the adjacent side. That's what we're trying to figure out. That's the other side. Over again, the hypotenuse 8. So what am I going to do to solve for adjacent, Ethan? What do we do? What did we do last time? We did something to both sides.
Multiply by 8.
Good. Multiply both sides by 8, right? Goes away, goes away. So this is going to be equal to the adjacent, which I can then pull up calculator. So we have 8 cosine of 65.3. And that gives you 3.34, all right? So now you have all the sides. And actually, here's a cool thing. You can check that this is correct by the Pythagorean theorem. Oh, thank you, taco sauce. We got more coffee coming on. If I do the Pythagorean theorem, right, which is one of the sides squared, right, plus that other side squared, which was the 7.27 squared, you see that we get basically 64. We get 63.9999999, right? That's basically 64. Okay. And so if c squared is equal to 64, that means c is equal to 8, right? And that's the same thing we have. So we did a good job. Nice. Sick. Good. Bond coin. What's up, Nick, dude? Nick, how's your class doing, dude? How's your online class, bro? What's going on? What's crack-a-lackin', dude? All right, Exploded Minion, are you here in the chat? What's up? Are you in the VC? And then Demented, I'll do yours next, because I think you were right before not your friend. Let's get Exploded Minion up on. Let's invite him. You're invited to speak, Minion. Nice. Okay, cool. All right. Minion, which one did you need help with? Yeah, here. You need me to do it again? I'll do it again for you, dude. There you go. There we go. What's up, Minion?
Hi, I need help with the question 23.
23, got you. Okay. Steffi, what type of Steffi? That's okay. Stephanie took a square piece of paper and folded one vertex to the center of the square. Next, oh wait, Steffi's a guy? I thought Steffi'd be a girl. Next, he folded the paper along the symmetry axis, obtaining a quadrilateral. Oh. Do you know what a quadrilateral means? Exploded Minion? Do you know what that means?
Yeah.
What does it mean?
It's just a shape with the 4 sides.
Good, 4 sides. Right, very good, very good. Okay, cool. All right, so it looks like... Oh, he folded this to the center of the square, right? Okay. So he folded this here. And then he folded it over in this direction. Okay, very cool. All right. And they want us to figure out what all the angles are. Oh, that's cool. All right. Okay, it's not terrible. Okay. This is actually... What class are you in, Exploded Minion? What is this? Is this geometry?
Pardon? I didn't hear you.
What class is this for? Is this geometry?
No, it's just a math competition.
Oh, okay, cool. All right. All right, so I know this is 90. I know this is 90. I know this is 90, right? We know that is true. This was a square, right?
Yeah.
And what do we know about the total internal angle of a... So now this is a five-sided device, or a 5-sided shape, right? Do you know what the total angle is for a five-sided shape? Which is, I guess, a pentagon.
I'm guessing 360.
360 is a square, because there's 4 sides. So now we go up to 5 sides. There's an equation for this. It's n-1 times 180. This is a good thing to know. This equation will always tell you how many total degrees you need on the inside of a polygon, okay? So, since this is 1, 2, or is it, it's n-2 times 180. n-2 times 180, yeah, that's what it is. So, since this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided shape, what's the total internal angle going to be? We're going to replace this with 5, right?
Yeah.
Okay. 5 minus 2 is?
It's 3.
Good. And then do you know what 3 times 180 is? It's kind of a harder one.
It's 540.
Yes, okay. So that tells me, right, that the total angle in here has to be 540 degrees, right? Okay. So if these are all 90, right? 90, 90, 90, right? That means we have 270 already, right, from here. But then I need another 270 from these two angles, right, together. So what does that tell me each one of these will be?
It would each be, So those two angles add up to 270, right?
Good. They add up to 270, and they're probably going to be the same, right? They have to be the same angle, right? Because we folded this thing equally, and it's a square. Okay. So if I need two angles that are the same to add up to 270, what are they going to be?
They would each be 135 degrees.
Good. This is 135, right? And the other one is 135? Does that make sense so far, Minion, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right. Yeah. So now I'm going to flip it over again. All right. So I know this one is 90, right? You see how this one didn't change? So we know this one is going to be 135, okay? And then here's the other thing. This was a square, right? And if I flip it diagonally like this, right? What is this angle going to be?
45 degrees.
Good. 45, right? And then this angle is obviously less than 135. So when they ask you, like, what's the measure of the largest angle, which one is it going to be?
It's going to be 135.
Good. Nice. Congrats.
Okay.
You actually could have figured out what this angle was because these two would add up to 180, right? This would be 90, so now you're at 270. And now since this is a four-sided, right? Four-sided shape, you know that has to total 360. So this one has to be 90 as well.
Right.
Right, good. Okay. Does that make more sense to you there?
Yeah, thanks.
Nice. You're very welcome, dude. Congrats. Bond coin to exploded. Oh, sick. You're almost at 10. Nice, dude. Okay, cool. All right. Let me do Demented. He's been waiting for a bit. All right, Demented. Which one do you need help with, dude? Or here, let's get you on the stage. Let's get you on the stage, Demented, dude. Come up. Come speak. Come speak, Demented, dude. Let's see if it works. And then where was the question he posted? He posted in the chat, maybe. One second, let me find it. What's up, Ethan? Or Ethan's muted. That's okay. I need help with this. Okay. Wait, what? No. No more watching Cocaine Bear. Oh, okay. Oh, this stuff's easy. You've done this.
Hello?
You've done. What's up, Demented, dude? What's going on, dude?
Alright, let's go.
What's up? What's up? What's up? Okay. They want you to find the intercepts of different lines and whatnot. This is pretty easy. You know how to do this, dog. We did this last time, bro. I know you got this, dude.
Yeah, I should do it. I forgot.
Okay. All good. It's all good to forget things. Dude, I forget, like, my name sometimes, you know. Canceled. Yeah, don't cancel me.
Wait,
Don't cancel me for the pronouns. I'm still getting used to this whole, like them thing being, like, a single person. I'm like, what? Excuse me?
I know. I speak two languages, bro. It's confusing.
It's so confusing, dude. Like, some people are like, no, it's them. I'm like, okay, but, like, you're dating multiple people? Or, like, what? How does this work?
Yeah.
It's okay. Low-key a boomer. I am low-key a boomer. Yeah, I'm getting there. All right. All right, Demented, let's try to do this one. Determine the intercepts. What do intercepts mean? What are the intercepts? What's that? What are intercepts?
Where the line intercepts one of the axes. I did Y.
Yes, x-axis or y-axis. Right, good. Okay. So the key thing, this right here would be what intercept? Would that be an x-intercept or a y-intercept?
X.
Good. This is an x-intercept, okay? That means this is a y-intercept, okay? X-intercepts occur when what happens? One of the variables goes to 0. What is it?
When y goes to 0.
Good. This is when y equals 0. That's how you figure out that. Okay. And then this happens, right, when x equals 0. All right. Yeah. So all you got to do, Demented, dude, is just plug that in for here and then solve for the other variable. That's all you got to do.
What's it called? There's this question that keeps throwing me off. It's the one with the fractions where you do y equals mx plus b. That's the formula that throws me off the most.
Okay. All right. So here, we could put this. We could rearrange this. So what you're talking about, y equals mx plus b, that's called slope-intercept form, right? Y equals mx plus b. Okay. If I want to put this into y equals mx plus b form, right, I need to get the y by itself, right? So I gotta move stuff around. So what am I gonna do to move stuff around? Shit. Fuck. Ground control.
Wouldn't you
Major Tom.
just move it to the other side so it becomes a positive if you're looking for a positive?
You want to move to 2y over there? Is that what you want to do? You can move to 2y. That's cool.
Yeah.
Honestly, I like doing that for some reason. It just feels better. But yeah. So this is 2y plus 8 is equal to 3x. Okay. I also I flipped them around, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what's the next thing I do? Oh, I got to chug. Damn. Thank you, Shifter.
We make one of
the follow.
0, so we would make the y is 0.
Yes. So yeah, you can set y equals to 0, right? To find an intercept. Well, okay, let's put it into slope-intercept form first, and then let's do this stuff, okay?
Yeah.
All right, I still have the 8 here. I don't want the 8, right? Don't like that. How do I get rid of the 8?
Yeah.
What do we do?
Subtract by 8.
Yeah, subtract 8, dude. Minus 8, right? So now I have 2y is equal to 3x minus 8. You see how this form is almost looking like this form? Very close. Very close.
Yeah.
Right? What's off?
And now we just do you would divide by 2 to get rid of the 2 where
Yeah.
y is.
And divide by 2. Now here's the
Then you
tricky
have
thing that people always
3.
forget. You gotta divide everything by 2. Everything.
Yeah.
Can't just do one thing, right?
So you'd have, what would you have here for?
Y
You'd
is
have
equal
y
to
equals 3 twos. 3 twos.
3
How
halves.
would you say that fraction?
3 halves. 3 halves.
3 halves.
Yes, 3 halves.
Minus 4.
X minus 4. Good.
Perfect.
Good. This is slope-intercept form, okay? The reason why they call it slope-intercept form, right, is because this 3 halves is what?
It's
Something-
the slope.
Good. This is the slope, right? And then the negative 4. Excuse me. The negative 4, what's that?
The y-intercept.
Good. Y-intercept. This is the y-intercept is at y equals negative 4. And you can see that, right? Because let's remember, Demented. The y-intercept is when I plug in x equals 0. So if I were to plug in x equals 0 for here, right, this would go away, and I just get y equals negative 4. That's why it's the y-intercept.
Yep.
Okay? So 0, negative 4 is an intercept. The other one that's tricky, though, right, is finding the x-intercept, right? That's when y equals 0. So I gotta put this away. This becomes 0, right? So I get 0 equals 3 halves x minus 4. This might look tricky to you, right?
I don't know. My teacher did some weird thing. Is like where she got the for the y4, and then she used like the 3. So the 3 you'd go down 3 and then 2. because of
Sure,
the fucking
sure.
fraction.
Yeah, I mean, okay, if you want to graph this, right, this has a y-intercept, right, at negative 4.
Yeah.
And then this slope, 3, do you know what the 3 half slope means? What does that mean to find another point here? Do you know how to do that? You know what slope is? It's like something over
No.
something. All right, slope is what we call rise over run, okay? Which means this is the same,
Oh,
slope is the same thing as the change in y over the change in x, okay?
Yeah.
So if it's 3 halves, that means I go up 3 and to the right 2. All right, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Right, so my next point is like right here. Okay. And then I could go again up 3, 1, 2, 3, right? Over 2, 1, 2, and then I'd be here. Right. This isn't the most straight line, but I tried. So you can kind of look at it, right? And you could see that, like, okay, the intercept's probably going to be there, but like just doing it by eye is not a good idea. Like don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah, because my graph here isn't going to be perfect because I don't have like the most absolute accurate of like drawings. So
Yeah.
if it did happen to like hit right at 0, I'd be like, cool, we're done, right? Like let me think how this would work. If this was, for instance, minus 3. Okay, let's say we started at 3 down here, and again, I went up 3, 1, 2, 3. Now I'm already at 0, right? And then I go over 2. Then I could just say the x-intercept is x equals 2 because I could see it, and it would be easy, right?
Yeah.
But it's not. It's minus 4, okay? So what you have to do here, Demented, is you have to plug in y for 0, and you got to solve this, which is not too bad, right? How do we solve that?
Well, would you rearrange the fraction or just keep it the same?
I'd keep the fraction the same for now. I always like to attack the thing that's further away from the variable, right? I'm trying to isolate this, so let's look at what's furthest away from it. What's the furthest away from that x?
The negative 4.
Good. So let's move the negative 4. How do we move the negative 4?
Send it to the other side.
Good. We're going to do that by adding 4 to both sides, right? I get 4 is equal to 3 halves x, okay? And then how do I get rid of this 3 halves? I don't like the 3 halves on it.
Would you just multiply by... No.
Divide is
yeah,
correct.
You would multiply by 3.
No.
Divide? But wouldn't it...
Divide by
do
3
opposite?
halves. You divide by 3 halves, right? Which I'll show you. So again, anytime there's a number in front of here, like let's say Demented, like for instance, there was like 8 is equal to like 2x, right? To get the x by itself, I divide by 2 on both sides, right? Because this is multiplying, so I'd like to divide, right? That goes away.
Oh, yeah.
the reason why this looks strange to you is because this is a fraction, right? So I need to divide both sides by 3/2, right? Which kind of looks ugly, right? You're just like, I don't know what's going on here, right? So this will go away, but now you have this, which is kind of tricky, which is now 4 divided by 3/2. Do you know how to do this? Do you know how to divide fractions? There's a little trick for it.
Yeah, what's it called? Wouldn't you multiply 4 and then divide 3 or something like that?
Yeah, so dividing fractions, they say dividing fractions is easy as pie, flip the second and multiply. That's the whole jingle.
Yeah.
Right? So I'm going to flip the second. So I'm going to make this 2/3, and then I'm going to multiply. So when I multiply through here,
So
you know what you got? What do you got?
Yeah, you get 4. You get 4.
Oh, you don't get 4. What's 4 times 2/3?
Wouldn't you do 4 times 2, which is 8, and then divide by 3, which would not be what the fuck?
Yeah, it's just 8/3. It's just 8/3. It's 8/3, dude. It's 8/3. You see that?
Yeah, I was so lost on where the fuck I got him.
I know. I was like, dude, where is he? It's okay, dude.
Nice.
Okay, sick.
Oh, I see what I did. I did like a fucking cross multiply. I did 4
Nah,
times 3.
yeah.
And I'm like, wait a minute, why would I do that?
Yeah. Dragon King says, hi guys, just popping in and saying hello, checking notifications, so I won't be chatting, just wanted to have a great night, dude. You have a great night too, man, dude. Thank you, Dragon King. I appreciate that, dude. All right, so let's give a bond coin to Demented. And you had a computer question as well? Is that what you said, dude? And then,
Yeah, it's like...
and then not your friend, I'm coming for you, dude. You're next. Let me see your question first. Write a program to display a rectangle at the top right corner of the screen and a circle at the bottom left corner of the screen. The circle can move around the screen by pressing the arrow keys. The program stops when the... This is very elaborate, Demented. What language are you coding this in?
Turin. I don't know why.
What? Sorry, what? What language?
Turin. It's Turing. It's some fucking ancient-ass language.
Sure, what the fuck is Turing?
It's old as hell. I think it's older than you.
Turing?
Yeah.
Dude, this language was created in 1982. I've never heard of this programming language. What?
This is what I've been.
Excuse me?
It's like.
Dude, what the
Shark,
fuck? It's a
yeah,
descendant
it's like-
of Pascal? Yeah, no, dude, no.
No.
Dude, what? No. Yeah, Turing is a very cool person. Like Turing, the Turing machine, he was a guy that yeah, do you guys know who do you know who Turing's named after? There was a movie about him. Yeah.
Yeah,
what is it?
it was some cool machine that they fucking used with the space.
Yeah, the Imitation Game. Yeah, this one. Yeah, he was a very cool math guy who built a decoding machine to break the German Nazi encryption. He is the father of computing.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so someone created a language called Turing in 1982 that I've never heard of, and like I code a lot. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. Dude, wait. Does Turing even have like a GUI like interface to like draw things? Like what?
Yeah, it does.
Oh, okay. Here, send me
Hold on,
send
let me fucking-
yeah, send me an example. I'm just whatever. Just use assembly. Assembly is nightmare, dude. Assembly is nightmare mode.
The website is literally called compsi.ca. It's some fucking. Here, hold on. Let me post this shit on Discord.
Comp S. Yeah, post me the link. Give me the link. Give me the link.
God.
Give me the link.
Why did Sir have to make me do this one? Sir really just had to do me like this.
What's up, Hikaru? Good to see you, dude. Hikaru. Here, and I'm gonna pull not your friends in question so we can hit his afterwards. The sum of the moments of the three forces. Ooh, moments. Easy ChatGPT. Yeah, I don't even know if ChatGPT can code in Turing though. Like what?
Yeah, I know. I was thinking about that, but I'm like, bro, hold on. The fuck?
Yeah, the fuck Turing? No one knows what Turing is. You tried, it works? No way.
Does it actually?
That's kind of cool. Let's go to ChatGPT.
Oh.
What is it? ChatGPT. Just wait, what? No, just where's the actual website? Damn it. OpenAI.
It's the
there.
first one. Yeah, that's the one. OpenAI.
Yeah, thanks. All right, cool.
Alright, let me see.
Do I have my Google account? I don't care. Okay, cool. All right.
Here's
So
a-
here we go. Right. What would we say? Like, write a programming. Oh God, I'm hearing
Copy and
myself.
paste the question.
I'm hearing Zeb. I'm hearing myself.
Sorry.
You're okay.
Look below you.
Look below me. Oh, nice. Ooh, whoa, what do we have here, dude? Oh, sick. Oh, yeah, sorry, yeah, my phone's on silent. Yeah, here we'll do a reveal. We have some goodies I'm gonna show on the stream later. Nice. We got a drop. We got an airdrop. Okay, here we go. Write a program in what is it? In Turing that draws a rectangle and a square. Sorry, a square and a circle. I'm curious. We'll see if it'll do it. I'm not able to write a program in Turing. This says I can't do it. This one doesn't work. Okay. I know, dude. I know.
I sent you the actual thing. It's fucking stupid.
Let me see.
Even fucking UI of it is ancient, man.
Oh, okay.
Let's see.
One sec. One sec.
Where is it? Alright, assignments. I'll download some of my old assignments that I've done in fucking class.
Okay. To create a box, you can do this. Okay. Cool. All right. Yeah. And then you can probably there's probably some command for like moving it. And then, he said code a rectangle in Turing. Is that really? Okay. Whatever. All right. Here, let me, because this will take a lot longer than I have on the stream to like write a whole program. But, you can send me the stuff and I can take a look at it later.
Yeah.
But
Oh,
in
shit.
general, you probably want it to draw those two things, and then there's going to be some command to move it, and then you just want it to intersect. Oh wow! Oh, thank you, Teacup.
Wait,
Teacup.
what the fuck? It actually does work.
Oh wow. Okay. Rectangular box with movable circle. No way, dude. This works. Wow. Good job, Teacup.
Teacup, I love you.
There you go. Nice. I don't know how he got that to work, but good job, Teacup. You have excellent skills. Okay. All right, let me do the last question, and then we'll do. We got a drop. We got a drop reveal. We're gonna do. All right. Let me bring up not your friend to the stage. Come to the stage, not your friend. I'm gonna take off stage. Up to the stage, not your. Oh, your mic isn't working. Okay, that's okay. Do you want to chat? Just chat here. Chat here. You can chat because the whatever is probably like Twitch is lagging. Yeah, just chat in the Discord. Chat in the Discord because it's faster. All right. Determine the sum of the moments of the 3 points about. So there's 3 parts to this is what there is. So I'm gonna just do one part for you. Okay. Moments of a force. This is a physics thing. So moments of a force, I believe, is equal to the distance times the force. I believe that's what the moments of a. I can check that. One second. Let's see. Moments of a force. Yeah, it's the force times the distance. This is also called the torque. I don't know why they call it a moment. No. I PhD in physics. Yeah, I know. No. Because this is engineering stuff. They call torque like a moment, and technically it is. It's the first moment is what it's called. But yeah, this is just torque. Okay. So, in order to do that, right? To calculate torque, this is also called torque. This is going to be equal to the force times the distance, okay? So if we're doing the moment about A, that means we're going to measure all the distances from A. Yeah, I still have to, well, it's engineering lexicon. Like, moments is, like, I know torque is the first moment, but, like, why? Why don't they just say calculate the torque? Okay. So, give it to whoever. Okay. All right. Well, you know what? We'll do a giveaway for it. We'll do a giveaway for the bond coin for during the Roblox game. I'll just do a random one. Yeah, I'll make it random. Well, you actually know what we do? We'll do a spinny wheel. We'll do the spinny wheel at the end of the stream. Okay. All right. So to find the torque, you got to add up all the different forces and the distance, where the distance is the distance from point A, if we're calculating the moment about point A. So we're going to have this force, right? So that's going to be at a distance of 2. So we're going to have this moment is going to be 2 times 10. And then here's a key thing. Do you see how this like points it in the clockwise direction, right? Technically, when looking at torque, clockwise is negative and counterclockwise is positive. So this would end up be a negative 2 times 10, all right? Then you have this force of 20 newtons, but it's at a distance of 4. So that's going to be 4 for the distance times 20. And that one's going to be positive because it's moving it counterclockwise. And then we have this one, which is 10, but at a distance of 6. So this is 6 times 10. Again, it's negative because it's clockwise. So then you just add them up. So minus 20 plus 80 minus 60. Which just equals 0. That's pretty cool. Yeah, all right. So the sum of the moments about point A is equal to 0. Very cool. That's like, that's actually cool. Does that make sense? Not your friend? See where's that? Where's he at? Where you at? Mr. Bean's coming out. He's waiting for you, dude. Oh, it does. Okay, cool. All right, awesome. Nice. Awesome, dude. Okay, cool. Sweet. Oh, yeah, you guys want me to do the reveal? Like we got a drop. We got an airdrop. We got an airdrop here. We got some cool stuff. You guys want to see what we got? Got a drop. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, okay. This is some cool stuff. A day on is longer than a year on Venus. Airdrop. Ooh, look at this sick, dude. Look at this sick, dude. What? It's a Modern Warfare 2 shirt. What? It's like invisible. Oh my god, dude. This is sick, dude. Ooh, and I love this t-shirt company, Bella Canvas. They make good stuff. Oh damn, dude. It's the launch team, dude. Look at this. Such a buggy launch in this game, but like, yeah. So actually, if you don't know, so my friend, the Gendler, who here's here on the stream, he was on the QA, like the quality assurance, like the testing team that did all the bug testing for Modern Warfare 2, which is very cool. So he got to play it and do everything before we even knew it was coming out. It's pretty dope. Let's see what else is in the airdrop, dude. What do we got? Oh, sick. Oh, look at this, dude. What? Oh man, dude, logo tags. What is this? Oh, dude, look at this. Dude, who is this? Who's this character? Do you guys know who this character is from Modern Warfare 2? That's pretty cool. It's Ghost. It's Ghost. Nice. And it comes with a cool little stand for it. Dude, sick. I do love COD. I'm a little sad that Modern Warfare is a little less than I thought it would be, but that's sick, dude. Wow. Very cool, dude. Awesome. Thank you, Gendler. That's dope. Yeah, isn't that cool how the green screen's out? Yeah, right? Yeah, because of it's green. Okay, cool. All right. Here, let's do a spinning wheel for the extra bond coin that the Gendler bought. Let's do that. How am I gonna do that? I'm gonna do it here. Okay. What is it called? Spinner wheel? Picker wheel? Yes, you can speak, Ethan. You can come up. What's up, Ethan? Here, let's clear all these. All right, who's in? Who's in on the spinner? I know Ethan's here. I know Demented is here. I know Not Your Friend is here. I know we have Now Man here. We have Teacup.
Hold on.
Sorry, what? Say it again, dude.
I want to ask something.
What do you want to ask, dude?
What were those awards you got? The Modern War one.
Those are for my friend who's visiting, the Gendler. He worked on Modern Warfare 2. He worked on like the beta testing and everything for it. It's really like the alpha testing. He worked on it like before it was like even a thing. Yeah. So they gave him. He got a bunch of like cool swag and like goodies for like working on the team.
Dang, he must be he might be getting paid big.
Yeah, he might. He does. Like he doesn't get. Yeah, he doesn't get paid badly. I'll tell you that. he gets paid pretty well. You know. Plus, he gets to like work with video games, dude. That's like the dream, dude. Okay, nice. Okay, am I missing anyone? Am I missing anyone before I do the spinner wheel? Am I missing anyone? Say something in the chat or forever hold your peace. Okay, we're gonna spin. Bing, ding, 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 ding. Winner is... Oh my god, dude. Teacup, dude, you always win these things, Teacup. What?
All of them but the one I want to win.
He's like, God damn it, because I don't win the laptop when I need the laptop. Congratulations, Ethan, dude. Or Teacup, sorry. Congratulations, Teacup. Yes, dude. Congratulations to Teacup for winning the extra bond coin. Yes, Teacup's always a winner. All right.
Oh.
That's too funny. Oh, what game are we playing today, Teacup? What did the audience say? What do we vote on?
It's a 50-50 between natural disasters, so I just recommend natural disasters because I think that won the original vote.
Well, what is that goal?
I think it's natural.
Natural disasters?
I think.
Oh.
Yeah, natural disasters.
Do we need a private server?
I want to say something about
What's
that
up, Ethan?
poll.
I don't know.
What's up? What's up about the poll?
You know, the first poll that happened, there were 4 options. Okay.
Okay. Well, sometimes we narrow it down, you know, make things easier.
And then, yeah, and then we chose other. Okay.
Okay.
But then, like, the
And-
same games that weren't even on other just showed up. Like Steve said, said natural disaster.
Okay, hold on a second, hold on.
Okay.
Deep Step was the runner-up, and the only other game that was suggested for other was natural disasters.
Okay.
No one else suggested a game.
All right, we're gonna try natural disasters then. We'll try it, and then Ethan, we can try another game afterwards if we want. Okay. Teacup, can you set up the server and whatnot for it, or do I need to pay for it?
You probably need to pay for it, but I can get like the link.
Can you give me a link and stuff? All right, cool.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you again for coming to Office Hours. Big, huge thank you to our February donors, Kurt and Kathy. Love you guys. Thank you for helping fund education and all the great stuff we do here. You guys are awesome. I'm doing not a desert rave. I'm doing a warehouse rave this weekend, but afterwards, I will have a lot more time to start writing more grants and stuff, so we can get more prizes and we can start the winter tournament. That would be sick, right? All right.
Actually, I want to say 2 things.
What do you want to say, dude?
Remember the math test I told you about?
Yeah, the math test. How you doing the math test, dude?
I saw that I got 100.
You thought you got 100. What'd you get on it, though?
No, I didn't say I thought. I said I saw I got 100.
Oh, you got 100! Congrats, dude. That's sick, man.
Yo, we're all getting 100.
All getting hundreds. You're all 100s in my book, dude.
In science, you know how I got a 76 on that exam?
Yeah, on the science exam.
One last thing.
So, before the retake, it's put into Aspen, so it's 76 currently.
Uh-huh.
It's going to be an 88, 100 on the retake.
Oh,
But
good. You get a better grade.
the current grade, even with the 76, is still an A. I'm just doing like
That's dope.
Nice. Good, dude.
because I haven't gotten anything about lower than 100 before this.
That's awesome. Ethan, what's up? What's up?
How do you actually donate to this?
How do you donate? Oh, that's a good question. Yeah, no, I'll show you guys. How you donate. You know, if you got people that want to donate, you just go to donate.actual.education. Literally all you do. It's a website, right? So here we go. I'll put it in the chat for you guys. It's donate.actual.education. Yeah, thank you though. There you go, Teacup. And yeah, so individuals can click here if they want to donate. Let's say they want to donate $5,000. They can just click right here, and they can donate $5,000. And there it goes. They put in their credit card, you know, and the donation goes to us, and then I can use that to buy you guys prizes and then like all sorts of other cool stuff, you know, to like keep the server going. If you know someone that has like a company and whatnot, we have like corporate donations as well down here. And then with each tier, like depending how much they donate, they get a bunch of stuff. Teacup says I'm going to donate $20K. That would be sick. All right. We're getting pulled into actual gaming because it's that time. So stick around the stream if you want to come play Roblox with us. Gaming time, yes. Meet us in the recess voice chat. Otherwise, have a great weekend, guys. I will see you on Monday at 3 p.m. Pacific, 5 p.m. Central, 6 p.m. Eastern. So yeah, cool. See you in recess, and we'll do it.